See, in order to determine the irrigation requirement of a certain crop during its base period, the following terms are required. So, first term or first important term is effective rainfall. It is the one of the main parameter which is required to determine the irrigation requirement. So this that part of a precipitation following during the growing period of a crop that is available to meet the evapotranspiration needs of a crop. Effective rainfall means what? Without considering the consumptive use, or this that part of a precipitation which is falling during the growing period, means when the kharif season crop is there. So the amount of the water is required for the production or for the growing of a crop. It is termed as effective rainfall that is available to meet the evapotranspiration need of a crop, the one of the important parameter. Then the consumptive irrigation requirement. It is defined as the amount of irrigation water that is required to meet the evapotranspiration needs of crop during its full growth. So it can be calculated by subtracting the consumptive use minus the effective rainfall. Then we have a net irrigation requirement. It is defined as the amount of irrigation water required at the plot to meet the evapotranspiration needs of water as well as other needs such as the leaching, etc. And this can be found out by using the equation, that is, or by subtracting the consumptive use, by subtracting the effective rainfall from the consumptive use, and then it will be added in the water lost in deep percolation, which is used for the various purpose of leaching. Then the field irrigation requirement. It is the amount of water required to meet net irrigation requirement, plus it is the addition of a net irrigation requirement and the water lost in the percolation in field water courses, field channels, and field application of water. This is the field irrigation requirement. And lastly, the cross irrigation requirement. It is the sum of water required to satisfy the field irrigation requirement and the water lost as conveyance losses in distributaries up to the field. This is also termed as water conveyance. It is dealt with the water. If the water conveyance efficiency is known, then we can find out the cross irrigation requirement, which is used to determine the irrigation requirement of a certain crop. So these are the important parameters that must be known before calculating the requirement of a certain crop. Thank you.